Welcome to the weekly vlog. Hey guys, it's March on Monday and we've decided to put some seeds into soil. The weather is turning, it's getting a lot warmer now, so today we'll be planting some tomato seeds, yes, just in case you want to see what type they are. I think you get about 10 or so in the packet. Make it out to be a little bit more than 10. And then we're also going to be planting some mixed salad bay leaf. Haven't quite opened that yet. I'll show you what the seeds look like. Yeah, so I said bay leaf, but I meant baby leaf, okay? And this is what their seeds look like. Okay, so we've made some holes in the soil. So we put some soil into eggshell containers. And that's what that looks like. So we've not got much of a technique. We're just putting 3 seeds into each hole. I trust you can see the tiny little holes we've created in the soil. And we're just going to close up the holes. The mixed leaves are a little bit trickier because the seeds are so small. So we're going to put those 4 in each hole. So we're just going to cover up all the holes. So we've put some water into a Coke bottle, created some holes in the lid, and we're just going to sprinkle it with some water. And it's gonna go over there next to my avocado trees, my tiny little avocado seedlings. And that's it, guys. That is it for today's vlog. I will let you know on a weekly basis how this is going.